Hey everybody, this is Larry, this is me going Q4 of the weekly contest 337, smallest missing non-negative integer after operations. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this problem. So I actually did get a wrong answer on this one because I was just rushing it and didn't really check my logic a little bit. I had an intuition, and it was 80% right, but I had to finish it up. Luckily for me, the wrong answer gave me a test case that was very clear what I needed to do afterwards. I don't know what to make of that. But anyway, let me go over the logic on this one. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord and all that stuff. I don't know if I said it already. Old people problem. I have bad memories. So support the channel by hitting the like button or leave a comment. Okay, so for this one, so basically trying to find a max, which is a very common mathematical thing. Well, I take that back. Why did I say it's very common? It's not that common at all, but it is a thing that comes into play a lot with respect to game theory specifically. Maybe I should have said it that way. But we're not doing game theory, right? It's just a thing. But understanding that maybe gives you some idea. But so this problem, you have this one operation where you could get the value from nums, right? So for me, the first thing that I wanted to do, and you could do this an infinite number of times, any number of times, right? So for me, the first thing I wanted to do is normalizing it, right? And I normalize it by basically modding it by value. Why do I mod it by value? Because basically, for example, if you have let's look at this array first, right? So basically look at this. Well, one, okay, one is kind of a bad example. So negative 10, right? We normalize it to 0 just because that is just adding 5 twice, right? And then from 0, we can go any number that is a multiple of 5 plus 0, right? Same thing with 7, we normalize it to 2. Then now we can get any number that is a multiple of 5 plus 2, right? So you could get 2, 7, 12, 17, ... right? You're smart, you figure it out. And basically, so we do this normalization as a first step. And for example, you have 1, 0, 2, 3, 1, 3, right? And then now, from that, it just becomes checking, right? And then the idea is that, okay, well, it's a brute force, kind of, but you also know that n is 10 to the 5th, right? What does that mean for you? That means that the answer can at most be 10 to the 5th because then we used up every number. Use up every number, it doesn't. So then now you can say that we're brute. So the upper bound on the answer is 10 to the 5th. And then now we do a search, a linear search, a regular search to see if it's possible. So we go, can we do 0? Yes. Can we do 1? Yes. Can we do 2? Yes. Can we do 3? Yes. Can we do 4? No. Boo, do, and you return the answer, right? That's what we're looking for. In a similar way, let's say there is a fourth, right? And I'm just changing the thing a little bit, and adding a few more things, right? In this case, right? In this case, now you ask yourself, can it be 0? Yes. Can it be 1? Yes. 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And then 5, you're like, well, what is 5, right? 5 is just another 0 added to 5. So then we check 0 again, and then ... right? So now, instead of keeping it as a set, we want to just keep track of these so that we remove using it after using it. That's basically the idea, and the second part of what I said is basically where my wrong answer came from. For some reason, I thought that it can only go up to value. I think I just rushed it too much for this one because because by the time I got to this problem, I saw that there was like 30 submissions or something like this. So I was like, okay, I gotta rush it. So probably a little bit too much. But this is the way that I did it. So I keep a counter. I kind of wrote this a little bit awkwardly now that I see it. But for every number, I increment the I increment the normalization of it, which is just the mod of the value, right? And then now we check, can I be possible? And it's possible if I mod value is in the array, then otherwise we subtract 1 and then we increment. So we keep on going and until we find it. Like I said, there's only, the total sum of D, all the values in D, it's going to be at most n. So this means that this loop can only run at most n times. So this is O of n. In terms of space, I guess this is O of n space, maybe O of n plus v or something like that. We want to call it the value, but yeah, at most everything could be in the array once or in the dictionary once. So yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. One more caveat is that I did do this in Python, and what I'm because I think I want to appeal to non-Python people once in a while, but I just forget sometimes. So definitely keep asking me questions. But if you are using another language, you have to be a little bit careful because mod in non-Python or most other common languages like C++ and Java will give you a negative value, so you have to be careful about handling it like that. But from Python, it is fine, for example. Cool. I think now this is all I have for this one. So let me know what you think. Let me know your comments. Let me know your questions. And yeah, and you can watch me solve it live during the contest now. Okay. Wasn't sure that I was going to be fast enough, but... Smallest missing non-negative integer after 28 people are done. Come on, people are so fast. Okay. I spent so much time on Q2. Alright, focus. Okay, you have nums. You could add or subtract a value from any element of nums. Okay. Okay, I know what add and subtract means. The maximum that's actually not quite, it's excluding, but okay, fine. Of an array is smallest missing non-negative integer in it. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, return the maximum max of nums after applying any number of times. The max num. So that means you basically try to figure out if you can go to z. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. I can see why people got it already. I mean, or at least I think I do. I don't know. We'll see if I'm right on this one. Okay. So basically, yeah. Oh, whoops. What am I doing? Oh. Okay. And then... a negative value, expected 10. Silly mistake maybe. So 5. Why is... Oh wow, I am wrong on this one. Okay, I see. Wow, I am dumb. I mean, it should be a easy fix, but I wasn't thinking it through enough, to be honest. I was rushing it. I rushed it too much. Okay. Oops. No. Did I have it? I clicked on submit by accident. What did I do? I don't know what I did. Oh well. Let's run this again. S is not... Oh. Okay. I can see why people like get this one quickly, but I rushed it and then kind of made a mistake on this one. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest, this problem, and the explanation, anything in between. You know how it goes. Yeah, so stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.